What if installing your security system was as easy as fitting a light bulb? Introducing Vuebee, a smart, wire-free camera that can be freely placed anywhere. It connects to your Wi-Fi and stands guard while you are away. Vuebee completely changes the way we think about home security. It keeps watch over your home, loved ones, and even your deliveries. Get notified in real time when motion is detected. Even when you are away from home, see and hear or even talk back with those around the camera using your phone. Hey, can you put that near the door? I'll get it later. Thanks. See what everyone at home is up to. Vuebee makes an awesome baby and pet monitor. Unlike traditional security systems, Vuebee is proactive. Scare off any unwanted visitors by setting off the alarm with a single click. See ya! Snapshots are the easiest way to quickly flip through all recent motion activity. Free snapshot cloud storage for the latest 7 days. Permission-based sharing for family and friends. Full HD featuring a 25-foot motion detection range, 130-degree wide-angle view, and night vision that lets you see clearly even in total darkness. Built to withstand heat, cold, rain, or shine, place it outdoor or indoor. On a table, shelf, or mounted on a wall. With no cords, there are no limitations. With offline mode, secure locations that don't have Wi-Fi. Simply insert a microSD card and all motion videos will be stored for offline viewing. Great for your basement, car, or warehouse. With our advanced power management, it can stay on standby for up to 6 months on a single charge. Use wire-free or plugged in. Get secure. Get Vuebee now.